Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best party supplies. Today, we're excited to talk about the best ice cream party kit, the ultimate bundle that will take your celebration to the next level. If you're planning a birthday bash or just a fun get-together with friends, this kit has everything you need to create an unforgettable ice cream-themed party. Inside this incredible kit, you get 24 vibrant dinner paper plates, 24 dessert plates, 24 napkins, and 24 paper cups, all adorned with delightful ice cream designs and colorful sprinkles. Whether you're serving up cones, sundaes, or even ice cream cake, this set will make everything look as delicious as it tastes. Plus, the 54 by 108-inch disposable plastic tablecloths bring an added touch of fun and practicality, protecting your tables while contributing to the overall vibe of your event. But that's not all. This kit also includes a stunning ice cream banner to really set the mood. Its bright, playful colors and charming design make it the perfect backdrop for your celebration, whether it's a birthday party for kids or a festive summer gathering. Whether you're hosting a poolside event or an indoor ice cream social, the banner will be a fun, eye-catching feature. One of the best parts? The whole set is completely disposable, meaning you can spend more time enjoying your party and less time doing dishes. It's easy, convenient, and hassle-free. After the party is over, simply toss everything away and you're done. This is the kind of convenience every busy host will appreciate. In addition to its convenience, this ice cream party kit also brings that summer fun to life. It's a must-have for anyone who loves ice cream and wants to create a memorable event filled with joy, laughter, and, of course, ice cream. So, if you want to throw the ultimate ice cream-themed party, this is the kit you need. Visit the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to elevate your celebrations. See you at the next review.